Butterball whole and boneless turkeys. Dozens of controlled steps, from breeding farms to frozen aisles across North America. Inside this integrated complex, tens of thousands of turkeys move daily, from live arrival.
Today, we follow that full journey, breeding, raising, processing, and transforming Butterball.
Behind every holiday roast stand, automated controls, human inspectors, and traceable data for each flock, batch, and finished product.
Egg production begins in specialized breeder barns.
Collected eggs spend about 3.5 weeks in computer-controlled incubators, held near body temperature with precisely managed humidity and automatic turning. Once hatched, poults are counted, vaccinated, and sorted before traveling to contract-tracted grow-out farms.
For roughly 5 months, turkeys are raised in climate-controlled barns, with feed from specialized mills and daily conditions.
At the plant, birds arrive in ventilated modules and move into a controlled atmosphere system that gradually renders them.
After stunning, birds are humanely bled, then passed through calibrated scalding tanks and high
Television. At evisceration, viscera are removed, edible organs are recovered for giblet packs, and carcasses are inspected under.
Carcasses are chilled from around body temperature to below 40 degrees Fahrenheit in extended immersions.
After chilling, turkeys are weighed, graded, and either packed whole with integrated timers or routed to specialized lines for boneless breast production.
automated deskinning and deboning equipment removes most bone and tissue with skilled trimmers.
Chilled breast fillets receive a precise brine of water, salt, and functional ingredients, then tumble for hours.
Molded roasts are cooked and smoked to target core temperatures, surface pasteurized, vacuum packed, checked for contamination.
Every ingredient, from salt to spice blends and plastic film, is logged, sampled, and verified before entering the turkey production area. In the plant lab, technicians test incoming materials for key attributes, ensuring seasonings, brines, and packaging. A formal Hack Bay CP plan identifies critical control points for temperature, time, and sanitation.
Between shifts, dedicated crews disassemble and sanitize equipment, then verify cleanliness with environmental.
Brine and seasoning blends are prepared in controlled batches, following locked recipes that manage flavor, yield, and moisture retention in every turkey roast. Chilled brine is mixed in dedicated tanks, held at safe temperatures, and filtered before being pumped to high-speed injectors feeding the boneless turkey line.
Weight-reducing systems classify whole birds into retail size ranges, then seek a synchronized pop-up timer insertion and giblet pack placement.
Automated baggers enclose whole turkeys in heat-stable printed film, sealing in moisture while presenting legible labels and cooking guidance to home cooks. Elastic netting secures each whole bird for uniform cooking and stable shape, with cameras confirming placement before turkeys enter the freezing step.
On the boneless line, seasoned breast fillets are carefully arranged and pressed into molds, forming dense, sliceable roasts with consistent texture. Filled casings are clipped into individual loaves, each coated for traceability so any roast can be linked to its production time and ingredients.
Multi-zone ovens cook boneless roasts to validated internal temperatures, capturing temperature data that prove.
Immediately after cooking, roasts move into blast chillers that rapidly pull core temperatures down, minimizing bacterial growth and protecting texture.
Cooked, ready-to-eat areas operate under stricter hygiene zones, with enhanced gowning, hand hygiene, and air handling.
Every boneless roast and many whole birds pass through calibrated metal detection or X-ray systems, ensuring stray fragments of metal or bone do not reach consumers.
Check weighers verify that labeled net weights match the actual turkey weight, providing data to control filling accuracy and minimize product giveaway. Weight codes and plant identifiers are printed and camera verified, allowing downstream partners and consumers to know when and where turkeys were produced.
Microbiological testing programs focus on pathogens like listeria in ready-to-eat areas, using rapid high-capacity freezers lock in quality and extend shelf life, allowing Butterball to build inventory ahead of the seasonal Thanksgiving surge.
Robotic palletizers build uniform loads for transport, improving warehouse efficiency and helping maintain frozen integrity during handling and storage. From regional frozen warehouses, inventory is managed digitally so the right mix of whole and boneless turkeys reaches retailers nationwide in time for Thanksgiving.
Refrigerated trailers carry turkeys under continuous temperature monitoring, forming the cold chain link from
Butterball reports on animal welfare audits, greenhouse gas reductions, and waste intensity while maintaining American Humane Certified status across its turkey products.
From certified farms to audited plants and efficient logistics, each Butterball turkey reflects combined commitments to
Butterball's contract growers follow welfare guidelines covering stocking density, lighting, enrichment, and daily.
Third-party auditors routinely score farms against American Humane Certified standards, documenting housing, handling, and overall flock conditions.
Growers and live haul crews receive training on calm handling and loading, backed by a strict zero-tolerance policy for any form of animal mistreatment.
During loading, teams aim to minimize noise, pressure, and crowding, using documented procedures designed to reduce stress.
Animal care specialists review welfare data from farms and plants, using trend analysis to target training, facility upgrades, and process changes. Anonymous reporting channels encourage team members to speak up about welfare or safety concerns, triggering documented investigations and corrective actions.
Investigations and public scrutiny have driven Butterball to reinforce oversight, expand training, and
educational videos translate factory-level safety concepts into simple kitchen habits. Separate, chill, cook, and clean to protect families at home.
Each holiday season, the Turkey Talk line fields tens of thousands of questions, guiding home cooks through thawing, timing, and troubleshooting in real time.
Specialists personalize cooking plans based on turkey size and equipment, always emphasizing thermometer checks and safe internal temperatures before serving.
Safe refrigerator thawing keeps turkeys below 40 degrees, typically requiring about 1 full day for every 4 pounds of weight.
For faster thawing, some consumers use cold water baths, changing water every 30 minutes to maintain safe temperatures while the turkey loosens.
Most whole Butterball turkeys roast at around 325 degrees, with time guided by weight and verified by a meat thermometer.
Pre-brined birds simplify seasoning, while careful roasting and minimal door opening help maintain even heat and a golden, crisp skin.
Doneness is confirmed by temperature, not color, with thermometers checking both breast and thigh before the turkey rests for juicier slices. At the table, whole and boneless turkeys reveal the payoff from controlled brining, uniform molding, and tightly managed cooking curves in the factory.
safe storage guidelines extend the journey, reminding families to refrigerate leftovers promptly and reheat them to safe temperatures for later meals.
Each holiday centerpiece represents a long chain of design and discipline. From corporate roadmaps set targets for lowering emissions, reducing waste, and strengthening welfare oversight across Butterball's supply chain in coming years. From precision factory systems to home ovens, Butterball's whole and boneless turkeys embody.
Cross-functional teams apply Lean and Six Sigma tools to trim waste, stabilize line speeds, and improve yield across turkey operations.
Frontline employees lead Kaizen events, redesigning workstations and visual controls to make every trim, cut, and pack step more efficient.
Plant leaders review performance dashboards daily, focusing on defects, downtime, and complaints to prioritize the next round of improvements.
Sensory panels evaluate prototype products, ensuring factory changes preserve the signature tenderness and flavor home cooks expect.
Consumer
research drives turkey innovations, from smaller roasts to fully seasoned options that fit tighter schedules and evolving meal habits.
Packaging engineers validate that cook-from frozen turkeys withstand freezing, shipping, and direct-to-oven heating without compromising safety or quality.
New cook-from frozen turkeys feature built-in brining and seasoning, letting consumers go straight from freezer to oven with minimal steps.
For busy households, factory-engineered convenience trims days of thawing and brining into a simple unwrap and roast experience.
Multiple product formats, from classic whole birds to ready-to-roast frozen options, reflect how manufacturing. Structured learning programs offer courses in safety, leadership, and technical skills, helping employees grow alongside increasingly automated plants.
Coaching sessions connect daily production work to long-term careers, reinforcing retention and building a skilled workforce for complex turkey operations.
Internship and management trainee programs expose students to the full integrated turkey chain, from live operations to supply chain and processing. Rotational assignments build future leaders who understand every step of Butterball's operations, enabling smarter decisions about process,
Strategic planning aligns capital projects, automation, and sustainability goals with shifting demand for turkey products at home and abroad.
Engineering teams model new lines virtually to optimize throughput, safety, and maintainability before steel is ordered or equipment is installed.
Customer and retailer feedback loops guide refinements to labels, pack sizes, and handling instructions, closing the circle from table back to factory.
Integrated farms, feed mills, plants, and logistics hubs form a network that delivers turkey products from regional barns to tables around the world.
Behind each Butterball thank continuous lies a continuous uniting animal care, knowledge, and people.